So this is a tour guide. This is a guide on how to get to space in it. So you load into the game, and then you load into the game. You may notice it's a bit darker than usual, but you just hold on.
You the people that were on the big ship, was it the purple ship before the upgrades? Are you still in the lobby?
So basically,
No.
you load in. So then you need
Damn
to.
it, because I had some really rare
Basically, you don't
ship
need
attachments I wanted
any
to show them.
materials for this,
I have a
unless you want materials for it. Only if you want them. So then you're gonna walk over. Oh, you're gonna walk over here behind the tree, and you're gonna walk into the lake. So if I just walk into the lake real quick, then once you're in the lake, nothing's happening until you look by there. By there, there is this machine thing. So you need to do a little bit of sweet parkour to get up into it. I'll let that guy go first. So he'll demonstrate, I guess. So he lights it up, and then he shoots off. So then, you need to, for you to do it, get in. You need to get in. Then you need to press the button. Boop! And then you press the button, you shoot off. As you can see, you're shooting off. Now, basically, don't ask why I've got long arms, I don't know how. And then you spawn into space. So now, you head over here. Oh god.
I'm not
Over here,
Suck a dick.
into the space. Go down into this little bit. Then you can grab a space cart. So grab a space cart, go in through here,
You need help?
and then you
Grab
just go
on.
here.
No,
That
on.
go onto vehicle
listen.
here. Find space bike. Wait, there's other stuff.
That's not a dick.
Better upgrade.
Oh my god, bro.
Who likes this?
I don't want this, but unfortunately, I can't have it. So you just spawn in one of them, and it should appear right by here. So you grab it, go up. Oh, hold on. Over here, and then you are out, and you are in the space map, the brand new Animal Company space map. I'm taking this. If it's just legal tender, wait, that's a sentence. Legal tender. Anyway, let's pause it. So now, basically, you just fly around.
I don't accept that here.
Stop, bro. Shoot. I got this. Of course, he did it. So now I just gotta respawn. Hold any button to respawn. I know. You can actually grab a grappling hook if you want, just because that's a good thing to have if you're doing this.
I just need a flower. Wouldn't that change your power?
Hold on.
So just get in here. I am gonna shoot these bozos though. They are just absolute bozos. So I'm gonna shoot them. Now just go out here, like on your own.
Pikachu! Yo, why'd you do that? I guess we're both dead. Who did that mega
Yo.
blast?
Sup, bro?
Hey, get off the ship!
Sorry.
Steal my ship, you're dead!
Sorry.
Yeah. Oh, wait, hold on. Come here.
I'll just go then.
I'm just repairing the ship. If anyone
Go.
attacks us, I can just repair it.
I do want that. No, I want this small ship.
Kill and grab on. No.
Drive! A black hole just opened
I
up!
want this one right here. I want this one.
Those are always there. They just move around. So like, I'm just like,
Help! Help! That's me. That's my body. Come here, Froggy's body. Anyway, let's respawn. Because that's my body right there. Anyway. So, basically, over here's the exit though. Basically,
Let me just go
what's
get him
this
outside of the space.
called? Yo.
You're not black, I know. Guys, does anybody want to drink some really wet, rare shit pots? Does anybody want some rare shit pots? Where? Hey, so kill it!
that is done over there.
Oh my god. That just had to happen, didn't it? Black hole.
Everyone, go to
Black holes
counter. You want
have
to do
to
some
happen,
rare
don't they?
shit parts with
Black
me.
holes just have to happen. Great. This is wonderful.
Roll
Look at
on.
someone shit. Look at what you fucking did.
I'm just gonna steal some goop and then sell it for loads of rocks. What, rocks? Hold on.
I gotta go find another one. Buddy, you did it wrong, stupid.
Why'd you do that? Bro.
Run.
Run from you.
This is unfair and I hate it.
Run from God.
If I was just a couple seconds late, I would have gotten hit.
What do space wrenches sell for, I wonder?
Your ship's gone, so shut that off. Yeah, you died, man.
No way. It is sold for 67 nuts. God, I know exactly how I can farm that then. Hi.
We gotta go. Turn on the light.
Yo, we gotta use it against him.
Tap him. He's running away. I'm just gonna shoot him with
Why do people do that though? Like, people are mean.
Oh, I'm not reload.
I'm safe. Okay, sick.
Broski.
Right.
Yo, I wasn't even red watch. Bro, why did you kill?
Sorries.
Bro, Rose.
Haha.
I can talk.
There's
No, that's not what ship gang. There is no ship stolen.
You ninja!
Basically now, once you're base map, there's lots of stuff that you can actually do. You can
You fucking
do
bitch, I'm gonna fucking fuck you all and that's your fucking family's gonna all get pregnant.
Sorry, what was that?
Enough of
Oh my god. So I'm not quite sure what any of that is. I'm not sure. But yeah. You can also go like around here. I'm not sure what any of that is. That's something, I don't know. That's a moon. That's a spaceship. You know what is cool though? Oh, bet. Touch me then, bro. Try. Just try and touch me. Oh, stop. Because
It
I
doesn't really.
am the best at VR. Woo! Oh god.
We are the weapon. Yo, come to the canopy.
I saw the light and I was like, I'm there. 'Cause that's way too scary for me. I'm going somewhere else. Where should I go? Oh, goop. What do I do with the goop? Yeah, someone tell me what to do with the goop. Honestly, I'm gonna stop. And I'm gonna stick the goop to the air. Goopy McGoopingson.
I'm here.
I'm just gonna keep the goop right there.
You can't see me.
It help me. I don't like being out in the open like this though.
I got that.
Purely because it means that other people can get me. Like, super easily. So if I just yeet that there, we need to go catch it now though. So that it can't, you know. Woo! We caught the goop. Now let's head back. Alright, let's head through the minefield.
Imagine running away like a pussy.
Where's my goop?
Yo, bro, where do we go?
He's destroying something over there. I want to go join him, but he'll kill me if I do. So I'm gonna go. Oh, look. It's my brother ship.
We gotta escape.
You're me.
You're me.
So,
Alright, get off.
I always had this idea.
Huh?
Come here.
No, I want that, okay? I want that.
Can you do
You drive, I use pew pew.
Yeah, bet.
You drive. I use gun, don't move it. Don't.
That.
Gun.
Get on, bro. Use pew pew. Whoever wants to use pew pew can use pew pew.
Yo.
You use pew pew, I drive. Let's go, bro.
Yeah, let's go!
Shoot something! Shoot this guy!
Oh my god! Get coming! Shoot him down! No, go to him! We gotta shoot him down!
I know, bro. We got this.
What are you doing, Zion?
He's up there. He's up there. He's up. He's over there. Shoot him. Shoot him down.